Welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I have an unbagging of 3 canvases from Diamond Art Gift and wanted to thank Diamond Art Gift for sending these to me for review. I really do appreciate it. We have a toolkit that comes with all 3 of these canvases. They're all the same toolkits, so I'll just show you the first one. This is a boat, a plate of wax, and then a single tip pen. The first one is a flower. It looks really dark on here, but I don't think it's going to be as dark as it looks once it is diamond painted. Here's the thumbnail. The thumbnail again looks really dark. There are 30 colors on this particular canvas, and that's a lot of colors, I think, for a 30 by 30. The background is going to be very dark. That is going to be 939. That's going to be a dark. At first I thought this was 310 black, but it is a black. It's just a different color, a different DMC black there. What I don't like on this, and they don't do this on all of the canvases, but on this one, I see that it's been done this way, is that on the drill packages, it does not have the DMC number on here or the symbols. You have to actually look at the number and then go over to the schematic and find that number to find out what exactly the symbol and the DMC is. But at least they do have the DMC numbers on the canvas. So that definitely is going to help. This also is not in baggies. They're just in the sealed bags. So if you do not have containers, you'll need to find a cup or the small bags or something to kit this up with, or just do one color at a time. I have containers, so I can do that with my containers, which is what I normally do anyway. But you can easily, since this is small, just do one color at a time if you don't have any way to store your drills that you're not using. I thought this was really pretty. It's not really a summer type of canvas or summer theme, but that did not really matter to me. The next one is, this is 7118. That goes to that one. Okay. The next one is a cute little cat. This one is a crystal canvas, and this one is very winterish, but I thought it was really cute. Couldn't really get away with not getting a cat. I seem like I always do. This is a partial. It is going to have rhinestones, but it also has a couple of special drills. The sticky on here is really good. The sticky does not go over into areas like this, for instance, that you do not diamond paint. So that's a plus. There are only 6 special drills in this, and that's what these look like. Now this one does say on here, it does not tell you on here the DMC or the symbols again, but it does give you a code on the bag that corresponds to the code up here. And that's going to tell us that this goes to this particular canvas, which I just picked up the wrong one. That is this one. I had both of them in my hand. This is the one that goes to this one. So it does give you the code here for this canvas. Again, it doesn't give you the DMC numbers or anything because these are special drills. Not all of these are going to have DMCs, and some of them will, but it's not going to show on here on any of the DMC numbers. So if I wanted to put these back into a container, I would have to match these with what I have, which is going to be kind of a pain, but I wish that they at least had the DMCs over on the side, but they do not. So on 4 of these, we do have the crystal rhinestones, and those are really pretty. Then we have what I like to call teardrops. And those are really pretty. You can see like how the light hits them, purple and greens. And then we have these. I think of these as buttons. When I used to scrapbook, I would scrapbook using buttons, and buttons are about the same size, and most of them were flat bottoms, but these are pearls. So in my mind, these are pearl buttons. But those are going to go around here where you see the number 6, and that's going to be like snowflakes. So I may do this when it's July and it's like 100 degrees out, and I'm working on a cat that's in the snow. Maybe that'll make me feel a little bit cooler. Okay, so the next one is this cute little dog. And this one is very bright. That one is this one. This one's very bright. It is also a partial, but it is round drills. Does not go over on this side here, and there's not any glue. There's no sticky there, so that's definitely good. But it is sticky where we do include the drills. This to me looks like a schnauzer. I don't know that many dog breeds, but just looking at the face. But if you know what this is, please let me know. I'd be interested. And it kind of looks like my dog's face, my small one, and she is a Shih Tzu. She's half Shih Tzu, half Poodle. And it does look like her eyes and her nose, but maybe it could be anything. So that's one reason why I got it too, is I was thinking of Zoe. And I don't really have anything that looks like her, so I wanted to get this one. And it kind of even looks like her little expression sometimes, when looks like she's so sad when she's not really. It does have 11 colors, and all the colors are pretty bright. So that's what the colors look like here. And on this one, they did not give us the DMC number on this, or give us any other information. So I will not be saving these once I use them. I usually don't save these type of acrylic drills anyway. Sometimes I will, depending if the drills are really good, but I'm not planning on saving these. I'm not going to have to try to determine what DMC number that this is. And again, you would have to somehow either do one color at a time, which could be very easy on this one, or you would need some kind of containers or have small baggies, because they don't give you any of that. And this one's also ones that you have to cut in order to open them up. But I thought these were really cute, and that doesn't bother me because I have plenty of containers and plenty of supplies to do all of this. So that's not a worry for me. I will also either copy this or scan it in and then copy this onto sticker sheet, or I will put this through my Xyron in order to kit this up. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and to recap, I had this cute little dog, this cat who looks like she or he could be freezing, and then this flower. So that's what I have received this time from Diamond Art Gift. And again, want to thank them for sending this to me. If you like this video, please click on the like button. That really does help me. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I think that you will like it here. And thanks so much for watching. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.